Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you the steps to self-forgiveness. When we hold on to guilt and shame, we keep ourselves trapped in cycles of self-punishment. Self-forgiveness allows us to break away from this cycle. It allows us to learn from our mistakes and accept ourselves fully and move forward. So what is the process of self-forgiveness? Step one, acknowledge all the hurt, all the harm that you have caused or allowed yourself to tolerate by your actions or inactions. So this is the first step to self-forgiveness, which is acknowledging the hurt or harm you believe you have caused to yourself or tolerated another person harming you or allowed abuse to happen to you. So this requires you to take an honest look at your actions or inactions and the impact that they have on you. So a journaling exercise you could do for step one is to write about a situation that is causing you guilt or shame today. Describe what happened, why you believe what you did or said was wrong. Focus on writing about the situation and your actions or inactions without adding any judgmental language. And then step two is to understand the mistake in its context, right? It allows you to explore the circumstance that led to your actions. It examines your emotional state, your past or present environment, the people and influences around you at that time. So often our actions are driven by unconscious pattern or survival mechanisms that were shaped by our past experiences. So you could journal about what was going on in your life when this mistake happened. What emotions were you feeling? What past or present influences were present that influenced your behavior? And then step three would be to embrace compassion and empathy for yourself. It allows you to acknowledge that you are only human and you made a mistake, and mistakes are an inevitable part of life and an opportunity for growth. So focus on what you learned about yourself and the growth that has happened from that. So you could meditate with a self-compassion meditation and reflect on being human. I am human, I am allowed to make mistakes. Say to yourself, I forgive myself for not being perfect. I offer myself kindness and understanding. Then step four would be to reframe the story. Reframing the story involves changing the narrative that you've been telling yourself about the situation. So instead of viewing yourself as the villain or the victim or the weak person or somebody who made such horrible mistake, consider that you might be having this experience because you needed to learn this lesson. So, and journal exercise for this step would be to write down the original story of what happened, including your feelings of guilt and shame, and then rewrite the story from a place of understanding and compassion, and focusing on what you've learned, how you've grown from this experience. And then lastly, let go of the need for punishment. One of the most challenging aspects of self-forgiveness is thinking that you need to be punished for what you did. No, you don't. Once you've learned from your mistakes, it's okay to let those mistakes go and move on. And writing out these steps will allow you to release the need for punishment. You can also create a small ritual of writing down what is causing you shame and guilt and then floating it away on a leaf or burning it. Visualize the heavy burden going away or watch the heavy burden float away on the leaf, right? So these are the 5 steps that you can do to give yourself self-forgiveness